Alright, on the Woodpecker today, I will show you how I did my new wooden spoon. Making wooden spoons is easy. It's also fun and more rewarding than going to the dollar store to buy some. I start by using an old spoon as a template. I draw around the spoon on a piece of hardboard. On the table saw, I cut 2 straight sides of the spoon's handle. Then I cut the round part on the scroll saw. To refine my pattern, I use a spoke shave, a block plane, and a file. When I'm satisfied with the shape, I sand it to remove the scratches from the file. Now that I have my pattern, I use it to mark 4 spoons on a piece of 1/2-inch maple. I cut around the line on the bandsaw. To fix the pattern on the rough cut piece of maple, I use double stick tape. I remove the excess tape and pass the pattern on the pattern bit on the router table. Oops! I think I will have just 3 spoons now. I prepare another pattern, and again I remove the excess tape. This time, I clamp cut the top of the spoon. Just be careful because the rotation of the bit pulls the piece towards the bit. It can be dangerous for your fingers if they're pulled forward. When this part of the spoon is done, I can pass the entire spoon the regular way on the bit. It's time to form the spoon. I use a spoke shave for the exterior of the spoon. I refine and remove marks with a card scraper. I also round over the handle and the corner of the spoon this way. For the concave interior, I use a carving burr. I use a finer grit to smooth the scratches. I finish by sanding the compton interior and the exterior with pneumatic drums. The 3 wooden spoons that I made. There's no finish on them. It takes less time to make them than to go to the dollar store, and it's easy too. Thank you for watching, and see you next time for another episode of The Woodpecker.